Morning, YouTube. Well, there's always been a small dilemma on how to take these things apart. Well, I'll show you how I take them apart. Put that little handle off first. See that part? I notice a lot of you guys cut. I have a pointy thingy. I just get them right in there. The pointy thingy isn't sharp enough. Okay, my pointy thingy ain't working today. It's shy, it's camera shy. Just like that. No cuts. This thing should pop right out. There you go. See? Simple. What did it take? Like a minute? You got your little bits of brass that come out of it. But that's one of them valves. It's clean. That's generally copper. Watch your ears in case it really scratches. It'll be number 2 copper. But that is clean brass. See? That's how fast you do it. No power tools needed, no sawing, nothing. Always check. Well, there's a little piece of steel somewhere in here. It'll be that guy, that pin. You can use a torch on that or whatever, you know. Yeah, that's right, it's spring loaded. I forgot about that part. Come on. See if I can get it a little farther out. That ain't gonna work. Okay, I forgot all about this spring. Just bear with me for a sec. Anyways, you saw how easy it was to get it all out of the rest of it. Like everybody seems to cut them in half when you don't really have to, you know. Hopefully not in your way. Yeah. Huh. I've never had that much of a hard time with these little guys. They normally just pop right apart. I guess not today. Well, there's the opening. That's all clean. No caffeine. I guess it doesn't want to come out. Let's see the springy part. But anyways, I'm going to try and get a load ready. Number 2 copper. Just talked to my non-ferrous guy a few minutes ago. Everything's gone up. I was paying $4.40 for number 2 copper, $2.80 for brass. Well, those are nice prices, aren't they? So I'm not going to mess with this much longer. I don't know what part it is. Yeah, that little piece there. I'll mess with it some other time. But anyways, that's the way I take them apart. Pointy thing pops them apart. That's usually steel. No, that's actually stainless. That's stainless. A lot of times those are steel. This one here, to be honest with you, I've never done one before. So we're going to find out. Is that a brass cotter pin on there too? Actually, I've never had one of these. Wow, spring loaded. That guy went for a poop. Brass? Looks like it. Yeah, a brass cotter pin. Well, that was simple. That's it. There's nothing in there. Okay. That's all brass except this guy. So I'll pop that rivet off. Come on. So yeah, even electric motors has gone up to 25 cents a pound from 18 or 20, so that's a good sign too. I got some to get rid of. So we're going to get rid of some. And the machine that's missing over there, clean brass. Cool, just like that. So that's what's going on. Yeah, that took longer now because I did more. So, but anyways, I got a few pails. I'll have another pail yet. That's 50 pounds of copper. So at $4.50 a pound, it's not too shabby. And my brass is up there at $2.80 a pound, so that'll work. Plus what I have in here yet. I'm going to add this to it. We'll get it all weighed up. Plus I have the plug ends here. The guy don't look like he's, yeah, that's what I thought, see? Yeah, those magnets are everywhere. So a little irony, I got number 2 copper here. It'll go with the wire. Number 1 under that curtain, a little stainless. Extruded sheet irony. That probably didn't change. Cast aluminum, and there's some more aluminum out here and stainless steel, especially these 2 chunks, stainless steel rod and pipe. So we're going to take the trailer because I got to pick up my little toy. I had to send it away. The steering was pooched on it. Well, it's a good thing I did because it turned out the frame was cracked. So yeah, a little more. And Saturday I go check out a new wood burner. I have to go to Tecumseh, Ontario for that. So that's a Saturday trip. Maybe I take you along. We'll see what happens. It looks like the identical stove to what I had on the farm, so I think I might be bringing it home. The one on the farm heated a 3-story farmhouse pretty darn good, so. And it's got glass door too, and he's had it all completely reconditioned, so But this is going to change a little bit. That cabinet I need moved over to the wall. So anything back there has to come out. Because I want to put the stove right directly under that pipe. I don't want no more of this. So it'll eliminate that elbow. So, and it'll draft better. So if I move that cabinet over, there's like 3 feet yet there. The stove, 1, 2 blocks. See how this one's got wings? The new one does not, because it doesn't have a blower, so I'll be depending on that. And I have a fan that sits under here that I used on the wood stove on the farm. That fan is over 30 years old, and it still works. It's because I take it apart once a year and oil the bearings. So, but yeah, you guys gave me lots of ideas on taking those transformers apart. Well, the wee little guys are going in there for 25 cents a pound. I'm not gonna take them apart. So the bigger ones I will, like those guys. You know, yeah, those are all copper. So that's why they're in there. Aluminum ones are over there. So anyways, he didn't want to see me till after lunch. So I got some more stuff to go through real quick. There's another bucket of transformers. These buckets. Yeah. Vacuum cleaner motors. I don't know if I have any up here or not. No, I got more TV stuff up here. There and there. Maybe I'll whack those off real quick and add them to the copper bucket pile. Won't take long. So we'll see. I don't have to go today. I like to get the lawnmower back. And it has quit raining now. We got a nice little storm this morning. Woo. Guess what? Mosquitoes are back. Go figure. It's not from standing water. They don't breed that fast. That's it for standing water. That's got a screen on it, so you can't blame it on that. But yeah, I had to spray my legs this morning, so you tell me how fast they breed. I think they came in the raindrops.